Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the cheeky idiom, no spring chicken. It's a humorous way to say someone isn't young anymore, often highlighting their age or waning energy with a playful nudge. It's about acknowledging maturity with a lighthearted wink. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. Grandpa ran the 5K, but he's no spring chicken. He's not as spry as he used to be. She's dancing all night, but she's no spring chicken. She's older, but still got moves. My boss is no spring chicken, but he's sharp. He's seasoned, but wise. The idiom no spring chicken has rustic roots, emerging in early 20th century American English. It likely stems from poultry farming, where spring chickens were young, tender birds prized for their freshness in springtime markets. Older chickens, by contrast, were tougher and less desirable, leading to the phrase as a metaphor for someone past their youth. Popularized in the 1900s through newspapers and casual speech, it became a playful way to comment on age, often with affection or humor rather than scorn. Use no spring chicken to gently tease or describe someone who's older, typically in a humorous or fond context where age is acknowledged without offense. This idiom carries a warm, witty tone and is perfect for informal conversations about energy, experience, or aging. Avoid it in formal or sensitive settings where it could seem rude or ageist. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.